Welcome to this Burst Blast instructional video brought to you by Agile Dragon Group. To see this video and others, join the Dragon Den. Remember, Infor Birst, it's all we do.
In this lesson, we're going to discuss how to move assets within the catalog. First things first is let's define what assets are. So assets are essentially anything that you can save to the catalog. And these can include visualizations, dashboards, images, and even folders. The reason that you typically move assets within the catalog is to change who has access to the asset. For example, if you're building a new dashboard and you're saving that dashboard to your private catalog, when you're ready to share that dashboard with other users, you would then move it to the shared catalog. The way that we do this is very simple. First things first is you want to navigate to the catalog and find the asset that you want to move. Once you find the asset that you want to move, you click the down arrow to the right of that asset and select Move. You can move multiple assets at once by using the tick boxes to the left of each individual asset. Once you click the Move button, you're then asked, do you want to move the asset to either the private catalog or to the shared catalog? Now note, in order to move things from the shared catalog to the private catalog, you must be a Birst administrator. And the reason is because every user has their own instance of a private catalog. So to move something into a user's private catalog, you must have access to that user's private catalog, and only administrators can. Now, you should also keep in mind that when you're moving assets, you may want to move things into a subfolder. So for example, on the image on the right-hand side here, we have multiple folders that you can select within the shared catalog. Now let's take a look at this inside of Birst. This is very easy to do. So I'm going to navigate to Birst where I'm logged into a space. The space is called ADG Basic Demo Space. And here's my catalog. And within the catalog, I have assets in the private catalog. Now, keeping in mind that this is private catalog to me and me only, keeping in mind that every user has their own instance of a private catalog. And I have assets in the shared catalog. So if I want to move something from private to shared, I'm simply going to find the asset and I'm going to click the down arrow and I'm going to say move. And then I'm asked, do you want to move this to the private catalog or to the shared catalog? Now, just to give a demonstration, if I pick private catalog, I then have to click this arrow here and pick which private catalog I'm moving this to. The reason that I am seeing multiple catalogs within here is because I'm an administrator. So each one of these represents an individual user's private catalog. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to show you one more time. When I click the down arrow and say move, if I pick the shared catalog this time, I can save that asset within another folder, or if I make no selection whatsoever, it'll just go into the root of the shared folder. So that's really it. There's nothing more difficult to it than that, other than possibly the ability to move multiple items by doing multi-select, and then once again, say move, and now I'm moving two assets to either the private or the shared catalog. So hopefully that's fairly straightforward and easy, and we hope you keep returning to the Den to see new lessons that we will continue to add. Thank you for your time.
Like this video? See it and others like it in the Dragon Den. The Dragon Den is Agile Dragon Group's free Burst community and knowledge base. Just follow the QR code on your screen and apply for access. I look forward to seeing you in the Den. Have a good day.